YouTube, what is going on? What is going on? We are here, guys. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Markets just opened up. No trades for us as of yet today. No trades as of yet. Did get a nice buy signal for the early session, but price didn't pull back for entry. So we're flat right now. 30 more minutes into this 4-hour closes, and we get our 10 o'clock signal. But price is looking bullish still. Low of the candle is at 71, 73, 71, 25. Got a key level at looks like a May 18th low. May 18th low right above the level at 73, 73. And you already know my heat zone, 10 points from the furthest level. So looking at buying around 73.81s if price continues the way it's looking right now. But yeah, setting up my specs, setting up my visual. Got my boys at Top Step X over here. Working in a combine on screen right now. The account that's down 2 L's. Did pull up a account yesterday. A 50K XFA with the good boys at Top Step. So we'll be trading that as well today. Yeah, just getting cooking, man. Thursday been a hard working week. Haven't seen you guys, man. Been on the grind. Getting ready for the summer to end. Getting ready for fall, man. As far as market wise. Yeah, this is what the setup is looking like. About a 15-point stop here. Boom. Right up to where price is. That's a 2 to 3R. Right there from the heat zone back up to the current day highs. Price pulls back. Should be easy. Easy gimme. Get this price action. Oops, excuse me. Not the trend line. I need the trend line. My bad. Got bro's account on the screen, so setting up my specs here. Alright, yeah, just trying to draw a visual for that. But price go down to this area. As you can see, we got some 4-hour conjunction here as well. So be right into that little pocket, and it pops back up. That'd be great. Price is about 20 points away. It's my full session. So first session, we had 8:30 news in that little pocket that we trade 8 to 9. I didn't get to trade until after that news came out, so I only had 30 minutes to execute. So quick session. With this session, I'll have about 2 hours and 30 minutes to wait for price to retrace into my zone, and we can see if we can get some buys. Overall, everything is still looking like a downtrend, but we do have some room to kind of pop and fade. The daily yesterday was crazy. We did do a live yesterday just showing the Fed news. We dropping some shorts, kind of breaking down what he said yesterday. But as you can see, as far as what we care about, price action, this big daily candle from yesterday, this big red move, was the Fed, Mr. Kevin Warsh, one of his first FOMC statement meetings. So we see downside action. You can just see at the naked eye. Off the daily, we've been selling since July 16th, just a nice downtrend. But overall, we're kind of just trading in the range. It looks like we're at the bottom of it. Price doesn't break this point down here, which I believe me and my partner classified was 72.92. Yeah, about 7,300. kind of like the capitulation point. If price breaks under that, then we can look at going a little bit lower. But so right now we're just trading sideways, and that kind of coincides with it being a midterm year. Usually before the midterms, it's like a sideways downside, kind of 0% gain after midterms. Prices start to perk up, so it's kind of just moving into seasonality. But looking at the daily, you see the S&P is still doing its thing, uptrend, sideways liquidity overall. But yeah, red candle on the daily. Candle closes in about 17 minutes. Sit back and relax. If everything stays the same, just looking kind of chill. Even the news this morning ain't really do too much of nothing. So price is just kind of chilling, but just what we got drawn up, man. Price can pull back and get us in. Be cool, but this is what we're looking for. It's buys, but not up here. We need price to pull back, get into our little heat zone, little SL4 area, then we'll be taking those longs. And like I said, in the combi on the screen, down about 2 losing trades, a little over 1,000. That's accounting. Got a fresh combine we're trading today. Excuse me, fresh XFA that we're trading today as well. Which I'll tell you guys about the plan on that one. It's kind of just going to be running in the background as we trade for the next 6 months, just stacking cash in there. So, gonna be fun, man. Gonna be fun. But yeah, overall, nice chill Thursday. Got old Top Step X in the corner to take some trades for you guys. I'm about to sit back, wait for this location. Wait for 10 o'clock and solidify these specs and wait for this location. But overall, we here, man. Shout out to everybody that's been tapping in with the channel. Got some new Discord members, everything, man. Make sure you guys tap in. Utilize the free resources, man. And we here, man. Appreciate you guys. Tap in with y'all around 10. Let's go.
Hello.
Nope.
Look at that.
Hello.
And
I'm flat.
Hugo. Nice trade, Mandy.
Initially. Good stuff, Mandy.
Ugh.
Thanks. Probably
28,000. Here we come. Here we come.
Looking 10 points to the upside to get to 7,400 in the SPX.
Yeah, this doesn't look like it wants to stop.
Mm-mm.
I think
Good
we're going to
news.
head for that previous day high.
Mhm.
To get a 15-minute candle
We'll-
closure
we'll-
above potentially 28,000. What's up?
We got some size to the upside in the ES using that level 2 data on Top Step X. We got 500 offered at 74.24. We've got another 1,000 offered at 74.25. 74.25, about 8-9 points higher from where we're at right now. But seeing that size on the ladder, we're going to go get it. NQ did pop above 28,000, 28,000, 005 last trade there. 76% long tilt in the ES right now.
28K right there.
Yep.
All right. Microsoft might smash this record today. We'll keep an eye on this. We could be witnessing some history. Microsoft is up 14.6% right now. I just ran the math. Previously, the largest one-day market cap gain was NVIDIA on July 21st, or July 31st, 2024, at 327 billion. The top three all belong to NVIDIA, all in 2024. But if Microsoft is up over 10, let me see this real quick. If Microsoft is up over 11%, it'll smash that record. We're looking good.
oh. Wow.
Longs are getting paid.
Yes, they are. We are. I'm watching the size in the ES. Some of it did get filled. The highs 74.24 and NQ also pumping higher. NQ up 200 points so far here in fast markets.
The high from Power Hour at 99 and 3/4 in the micro.
NQ. 1,000 lot offer, another 1,000 offer, 74.28 now in the ES. Is level 2 data. A couple points higher from here. The 500 lot was filled at 26s. 28s got pulled. Do believe, but NQ off to the races. ES off to the races as well. Top of the hour coming in about 13 minutes.
6.7% up. There's just like, once again, this dispersion. I mean, we're up a lot. Like 2.5 is a big rally. We're just 1% in the SPX. Some of these individual quotes. Now SanDisk is up 18.5%. We got Intel up 9%. We got AMAT up 13%. I'm just trying to quote everything that's up more than 10%. CoreWeave up 16%.
Jeez.
Now it's 2,000 lot. 2,000 lot now up about, it's 8 points higher here in the ES. 2,000 offered at 74.30. 74.30 in the ES. Seeing size on the offers again. 73% long tilt in the ES. 75% long tilt in crude. Let's go around. Mandy, still long, Mandy?
No, still flat. Or I got flat. I just wanted to see money take money. These wicks this last week have been wild, especially in the first like 30 minutes, hour. So
nice
wanted
cut,
to take my profit up 292. I don't have any anticipations to get into a trade anytime soon. I want to see some a little bit more structure established before I decide to enter. I think we talked about this earlier this week, maybe end of last week, about a cool down period for me is great.
Okay, yeah.
Try not to have some FOMO, at least 5 minutes of cool down between trades. I'm actually feeling really comfortable 10 to 15 right now. Today. Well centered.
Okay, I like it, Mandy. You're very self-aware, Mandy. Got to know he's a trader here the last couple of years, and your growth, your self-awareness is remarkable. I admire it, to say the least.
Appreciate it, Trey. All because of Top Step. I mean,
well done. Well done there, Mandy. Good job. New highs, NQ, ES, about 3 points away from that 2,000 lot up at 74.30. See if it does go get filled, but NQ continuing to cook here. NQ up over 250 points so far in fast markets. ES 25 or 30 points, continuing to make new highs.
What a rally. I don't think we're going to give any pullback opportunities. I think we're just going to keep ripping for these afternoon highs from yesterday first, and then potentially even those 177s from yesterday.
These
trying to find a way to get long, but not getting any pullbacks.
It's tricky, man. It's so
straight
tricky.
Green.
Have we come all the way back from the Power Hour sell-off?
We're about there. We're about 50 points away.
Wow.
Yeah, still a long way to go. Once again, rotation day, long way to go in the ES still. Power Hour highs.
Yeah, what is it? Oh, yeah.
Are another 56 points or so in the ES.
99
okay.
on NQ. 30 points to go.
All right, now they're breaking up the offers here in the ES. 2,000 I got broken up into 1,000 and 1,000. 1,000 offer. Ooh, filled. Here we go. We are cooking.
Right, so there's Power Hour highs in NASDAQ.
Price was that?
99.
99 3/4. You got previous day high 177.
Damn, NQ absolutely on a tear. NQ 20,126. Wow.
That pivot point.
Speaking of pivot points, tops of day levels. Click on the indicators tab, top of Top Step X. You type in Top Step daily levels. You get those slap overlaid right there on your charts. Those are updated, refreshed before every New York Open. So pinned to the chat, there's a link to those Top Step daily levels as well. Make sure you keep an eye. It's the summer of indicators. Also, summer of Top Step Labs. Well, Birdie told me you should stay tuned in throughout the day. I
Ooh.
think they've been cooking some stuff up in the lab, and I have a little announcement for everyone out there, the thousands watching us all across the globe. Stay tuned for the Top Step Labs announcement. That being said, click like, click subscribe, click notify it. We are on the march to 220,000 paid for subscribers.
All right, here's our first pullback.
I
Coming
know.
off of power hour highs, about 60, 70 points off that high right there. Made a high print in the micro over on 126 quarter, trading 50s, mid 50s. This looks like we possibly could have some room to go down if we can kind of hold under that 100.
I'm not saying,
Coda's
I
little
can't
3
say.
bar reversal.
3 bar reversal will be a short, yeah.
Yeah, I do like
I
that
like
rejection a lot.
possibility at 993 and then 936. Those are some areas of on the EMAs on the 15 and the 5 that might be nice target areas to get back long if we want to.
Okay.
Close below on the 5-minute. I like
Wow.
below the moving average 945. So we still have 120 points to go. Shorts need to be really convincing, right? I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. You guys are
Yeah.
off, but that's not
No.
me.
No. Shorts, no bueno right now.
Yeah.
Speaking of no bueno, I'm short.
Let's go. Let's go, Gabe. What are you short from? What are you short from, Gabe?
I got one contract at 60s. Essentially, once that reversal, nice little rejection of the power hour high took place, I got short 1 MNQ from 60. I got a second offer in for another micro at essentially 100. And then stops are going to be tight. I'm only risking up to those 140s. I'm not going to risk the whole previous day high right now. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback here. All right, so there's the second fill.
All right.
Average price 80 even. Quick breakout means no more reversal. We'll look for a better location at that point. Potentially those 177s, but 2 is the most I'm going to go for right now. Still trying to preserve this green day.
Oh, let's get it, Gabe. 70% long tilt in the ES right now. Top of the hour in just about 5 minutes. Also, upper left-hand corner of the screen, you see the name of the segment, the show. This is called Fast Markets. And by golly, markets are rallying fast here in equities and gold and the yen. I've been telling you this. Hit us up at Top Step TV on the X using the hashtag Fast Markets, hashtag Power Hour. Let's see those trader wins. Let's see some trader station setups. Haven't seen those in a while. Let's see how many screens we working with out there. Also, let's know in the chat, where are you watching from on planet Earth right here, right now? Let's know in the chat. But we got hashtag Fast Markets, hashtag Power Hour at Top Step TV on the X. I'm stalling out a little bit.
Barely closed above the hour high. Now we're seeing another rally here. So breakout above 126. That previous high will be invalidation on this quick little reversal.
Deutschland, Toronto, Deutschland, cool.
Showing up. I've only seen like 3 US. That's awesome.
International, global headquarters. Chicago, Illinois.
Michiana Dunes.
All right, they're going to continue to.
Wow.
Well, welcome aboard, Cape Verde. Is that true?
The Palmer Station in Antarctica.
Ooh.
Prove it. Antarctica, that'd be
Tag us on X. Send a
yes.
picture.
Tag us on X. Oh, thank you, Gabe. Yes. Right.
Dox your
Please.
With an
location.
emperor
Send us
penguin.
a
That would
ping of where you are on the map.
You don't have to dox. No one's coming to get you. You're good down there.
Yeah.
You're good.
That's
You're
the
safe.
thing. That's the thing, though. I guarantee you, James is going to be pulling that up during Power Hour. If you can
That would be
tell us
amazing.
Antarctica, that'd be amazing.
And
Uh,
we'll hook you up with a little something. We'll send you something
Alright.
down there. I don't know how to get it.
yeah,
but
how
yeah,
long shipping?
we'll figure it out. But yes. All right, Gabe short from 28,080.
Yeah, it almost came and tagged me. We made a high of 138 quarter, about 3 points away from my stop. We very well could still build a little bit of demand here at these 100 highs.
Oh,
There's a little bit more gas in the tank, then so be it. Look for a better location. There's no real way for me to get into longs right now. Reward to risk would not make sense to these targets, knowing we're at one of them and 50 points from the other.
only case for a short I could see in the ES was that size trading on the offer. Those 1,000 lots, 2,000 lots be the only thing that I'm contemplating. But we just continue to pump here. Everything. See what happens here at the top of the hour in about 2 minutes. What are yields doing, Jack? Are they still?
What are
Are they still going
yields?
higher? I gotta get this short bias out of my head. Gotta get this short bias out of my head.
30 years kind of unchanged. The 2-year is lower. We're about 4.7 in the 10 years. So the big rotation has been between, show this real quick. This is kind of what
Mhm.
happened. I want you to guess
Mm.
where the Fed meeting was yesterday. This is the
30-year?
yield difference. This is the 30-year and the 2-year yield difference. So on that,
Oh,
and it
the
makes sense.
spread?
This was like the spread. This was a very natural
It
reaction to
was.
what we heard yesterday.
Where
30-year
was it?
yields
It
higher,
was.
2-year
Yeah.
yields lower.
It was like 70 or something like that. I think. Right around 70.
All right, there's the ripper of 40s. I'm out there. Previous day high,
Yeah.
incoming about 30 points. That's the only other location I'd really look for a potential rejection.
Highs. Gold
Question
on an
on
absolute
Jack.
tear. Gold on a tear.
Um,
What was the spread? Jack. Just 10 years rallying. No.
do
6J.
gaps matter on that spread there, Jack? I saw there was like a bit of a gap there. Is that a thing or not a
No.
thing?
Yeah, not really a thing. This tends to be, I would say, a more patient trade. It's 1 second. Let me pull it up.
It was around 80. It was 230. I think it was around 80.
It was around 80, and then these are just 15 minutes.
Where that heat zone 70. What is it? 8150, right? 73, 8150. Yeah, we're not getting this. Let me get the pen, please. Alright, thank you, Bob. Alright, 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern Time. So I get my specs down, man. Price is about, 50 points away from my zone. 60. Probably not getting a trade today, guys. We're going to go ahead and do the process. Price did continue. Sure, I'm not on mute. Alright, we're good. Alright, price did continue to the upside. So with that, specs stay the same. Continuation upside candle. Big green candle. Low of the 4 hours gonna be 73. 71.25. High of the 4 hour is going to be 74.40. Jeez. Price took off. Upside path, obviously. Anchor price is at 74.39 right now. Alright, so that's going to give an attack zone of a SL 4 hour 73.71.25. Key area interest is going to be 73.73.50. That's going to be May 18th low. Daily zones, man. Daily zones. And my favorite heat zone, so I can get into the action, won't be until 73.81.25, guys. So as you can see, all the specs are here. Price literally had to come ticking back down to the zone, like I said earlier. But if it does, just taking it back up to the current high would be a 4 to 1, bro. That would be great. That would be great. Alright, so yep, that's my specs. Got alerts set in multiple accounts, so just sit back and wait. It's the hard part of trading, guys. Like I always say, sit back, wait. It's patience. You know what I'm saying? Patience, patience, patience. So, got about 2 hours and 30 minutes to see if the price is going to come down. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, still got Top Step on the board here. Been taking some trades. One of my homies just got stopped out on a short, looks like. Yeah, chill day for us right now. Let's see if the price is going to come down. And I'll be here, man. Work team. Same thing every day. Process, process, process. Let's go.
Thirties. We can get
Okay.
there.
What just happened? ES. ES pulled back
Jeez.
5 points off that. Yeah, man. There's your NQ don't stop.
Kind of stalling a little bit here at the previous day high.
Yeah. Just gonna
New
buy it.
4 hour bar just opened. New 1 hour bar just opened. There's a little bit more potential upside. And we got another pivot
Yep.
high from Monday afternoon around those 260s. 255 to be exact in the micro. Outside of that,
Come on, gold just got sold $15. NQ's just gonna rally no matter what. I gotta get that through my head. NQ's just gonna rally for now. Just buy it. Same story, yes.
right, so 130s, you said, Mandy, for a potential short for you?
Yep.
Build a nice little base up here.
Just buy it. Just buy it. All right, NQ. It's gonna roll over here. NQ 40 points off the highs. ES 6 points off the highs.
What happened with all chat? Did our boy Leopold like really just liquidate everything? Is that what happened? That's why we're bouncing 20% and say SanDisk.
This is NQ. What man are you looking at? Like what? 130s, 120s, I believe, in the NQ.
132. I have a pending order here. We're about to tag it. There we go. I'm in. Just swing high. Let's see if we could get down into the just a quick little 30-point scalp into these 100, like 103s, I think. Just a single one. Nothing too crazy.
Hmm.
Not exactly. ES is not. Oh yeah, there you are. Another round of buying here in the
Normally,
ES. ES wants to make some new highs and gold selling off. Yeah, Jack.
it'd normally be a big deal that Nvidia is up 3%, but it's just getting dwarfed by these other moves.
Yeah.
Meta's still not able to bounce at all. It's hanging out around the lows. It's still
Mhm.
down more than 9%.
Right. Crude catching a bit of a bid. All right. ES not interested at the moment. Going lower. Gold's just sold off about $20, making $22 off those highs. Gold pushing lower. ES does not want to go lower. NQ. What's going on NQ?
It's trying. It's the first time they've gotten
Yeah,
3 red bars in a row in the 1 minute.
sure isn't convincing, is it?
Oh,
Gold's still
I'm not
selling
going for
off here.
many.
Are you in, Mandy?
Uh, I just got tagged for profit. So
Oh wow,
120.
nice.
Nice. Quick.
I was just looking for
Precision.
30 points. I'm not looking for more. Like it could sell off. Again, we're not looking for the entire move. We're not looking to top tick or bottom tick. I just saw a potential setup. Cross on the 1 minute, looking for a touch back to this EMA on the 5. That's all I'm
Okay.
looking for. 30 points,
Yep.
do that a couple times a day. It adds up base hits, right? So up to 411 now on just 2 trades, no more than 2 MNQ, which is like
Mandy.
wild to me.
Hell yeah, Mandy. If how long was your cool off period between trades there?
Let's see. 30,
15 minutes, 5
Wait.
minutes,
no, it's like 18.
18. Okay.
Yeah. Like it can go, but I don't want the full sell. Like again, just looking for 30 points, 40 points. I'm happy.
Starting to
That's
look
just
a little
about,
heavier here.
yeah,
Yes,
just
it is. 72%
7,400.
The
short tilt NQ.
3-bar reversal in 45 seconds would be confirmed on the 5 minute.
We're selling here in NQ. NQ. About 100 points off the lows. Or sorry, the highs. 100 points off the highs in the NQES. About 14 points off the highs.
Mhm.
Uh, what are you leaning here, Gabe? Which way are you leaning here? Seeing this, is this the pullback?
That's kind of what I'm contemplating. But there's the first 5 minute close on a red bar that we've had.
Huh.
We're back below. We closed back below the power hour 100 level from yesterday.
Mm.
It's
5
looking
minute
a
3-bar
buyers?
little bit
reversal.
All right, buyers are getting
heavier here.
rejected now. Feels like, well, okay. Well, buyers are getting rejected. All right.
Hmm.
All right. Interesting what's happening here in the NQ. The buyers are trying here to push it a little higher, 28,000 off this pullback and not getting the traction to the upside that they perhaps would want. Looks like the sellers might be trying to keep pushing. ES pushing lower here. 71% short tilt in the NQ.
3.5 minutes from a 15-minute bar close. First 15-minute bar that's been read
What a
since
low.
7:15 Central.
Yeah.
Looking like we're setting up a nice short here.
Yes, it feels that way. If then, Gabe, for the short. If this, then short.
Great question.
What's the setup? What are you looking for to go into pause? Well, I'm looking for that. All right, buyers are gonna.
Eh,
He
ours
held the
is-
Yeah.
7400 SPX
Yeah, they held
pretty nicely.
for now.
All right, this will be my last trade of fast market. So I'm short 2 MNQ from 111s. Essentially sold that little pop there.
There you
See
go.
if we can get back and stay under these hundreds. We start looking for 50. The handle. Stops are above the highs.
All right, what are you short from, Gabe? It's
111.
all right. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I like shorts.
Short 2.
Yeah. What price? Two from 111.
Yeah, 2 from 111.
All right.
It's like a
shorts.
right here, right now. You start getting momentum
sh-
back up to those highs, then I think 260s, 270s would be in play.
Okay, short two. Where's the risk? Where do you put your risk on a short?
I'm just risking the highs. So
All right.
essentially a break of the previous day high again.
Yeah, much better price. ES. What's going on in ES? It's about 13 points off the highs. It's right now, 74.30. Gold crude trading. Crude trading $83.83. How about that? Gold might be seeing a little more down ticking here. I can't. Any size in the ES? What were those 1,000 lots at?
The ES is just kind of thrashing around 7400 SPX. Let's comfortable at
Man, oh
that
man,
round
What's going
number.
on in the hundreds? What's going on at these hundreds? Talking about the NQ 28,100. Big tug of war going on right now. What's your downside target, Gabe?
I'd like to see 50 as a first potential target, and then I'll be looking for us to kind of recover a small portion of this rally from the opening print. Maybe looking for a midpoint, like 28,000, big round hole number.
Not convinced. I'm watching this
tough
order
spot,
flow.
man.
They do. I mean,
It's a tough spot.
the delta's ES delta positive 12,000. NQ positive 1,800. 180. 600 on the offer up at NQ. Is that right? Using that level 2 data. I'm not seeing. Yeah, okay. All right. ES.
Will it run away or go get it?
Or we'll get pulled. ES is not. I don't want to finish this.
Yes,
I
it's
don't want to
not.
finish this
I
sentence.
agree.
I don't want to finish. I don't want to finish the thought. I don't want to. Not out loud. Not out loud. Not out loud. NQ, same thing over there. Seems. ES. Now finding some traction higher. NQ looking to do the same. Dow now catching a bid. Gold finding some buyers as well. Again, bottom of the hour, we'll get those initial balance, high initial balance, low prices. Also, maybe a little top step, labs, hookup, Spearmint 2.0. Call it what you want, but I think you'll be excited.
You start getting momentum back into the 150s, I'm more likely just to cut.
I wonder if is Microsoft still cooking.
Yeah, Micron's tracking them down though. Microsoft's up 14.5%. We got Micron up 13.5%.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. What do we have after the bell today, earnings wise?
Apple, the biggest company on earth.
Yeah.
After the bell today. We also have Amazon. So
just the heavy
real
hitters
heavy
this
hitters.
week. Third, yeah. If those come out nice, markets will be saved. All right, the buyers.
I'll give my
continue to-
quarterly reminder that be wary of holding trades past 3 p.m. That 3 p.m. to 3:10 is going to be dangerous because
Absolutely.
Amazon's going to release right away.
Mhm.
Yep.
It looks like Apple won't release until 3:30 Central.
Okay. Be sure to tune into At the Buzzer for wall-to-wall coverage of that. All right.
Rejected those 140s.
Sure did, Gabe. Sure did. Little downtick in gold, little downtick in the Dow. Big decision zone right here at 28,100 in the NQ.
Yeah, I want to see a closure below the 70s. Start to look like we want to push below this little consolidation that we're building here.
If the shorts don't succeed, that could certainly put some fuel to the rally. Still in this game? What's going on? ES
Yep.
holding right now. This is tricky. Gold selling off. Gold down $30. Last 10 minutes off those highs. No numbers in the clear, but quiet on the
follow through there.
No, quiet on the headlines as well. Could be just by the dip. Could be just.
So
nothing on the
Oop just sent
yeah.
me. CNBC is saying that Leopold, according to sources, that Leopold Aschenbrenner was forced to unwind all public stock positions.
What happened?
Well, I mean, they're still way up on the year. I mean, his hedge fund, they were just mega long all the semis and AI bottlenecks. That was the meme we showed the other day, like with the glasses and Kathy Wood. But obviously the last couple of weeks have been very tough if you have very large, possibly, who knows how leveraged they are, positions in those. When you had, like, as I mentioned yesterday, SanDisk, which I know he owned a bunch of, topped out at $2,400 and traded 1,000 like in a couple weeks.
Just to watch it cook now. Oh man.
It would seem short term to be like an excellent, obviously, it turned out to be buying opportunity if somebody, say knew that they had liquidated. Yeah, tough day in Korea yesterday for sure.
Again, yeah.
All right, another attempt at getting above these 140s. Is
Yeah,
probably
man.
about to clear it.
This is how they're going to do it. Gold's still selling off. Still selling off. I don't know what that means. Apparently, yeah. Crude rally. was that?
It's the
I was
150s.
about to get short if we got down to those 100s
Yeah,
again.
good no,
but
good no trade, Mandy.
needed that confirmation. Didn't happen.
Yeah, good no trade. 77% long tilt in crude oil. What's crude trading? $84.19. 9 minutes, bottom yard with those initial balance high, initial balance low prices. And what are those? The highest and lowest price traded first hour of the New York session.
All right. There's a closure back above the previous little consolidation high, kind of invalidating some of this momentum we were trying to start to see. So I'm out. I'm going to go ahead and lock it up. I got a couple minutes left until I'm out at fast markets. I'm going to preserve this green day. 538
Yes.
bucks. So came in green. Try not to give it all back.
Good play.
What are you gonna trade? What do you trade now?
I like it.
No trade now.
No
No
trading.
trade now. No trade now.
Gabe,
Yeah,
I like it.
if I'm back later, I might look for new opportunities.
I like what you
but-
just did there, Gabe, in the sense of like sometimes I feel like traders feel like they have to wait for it to hit their stop loss. But as time goes on and as things happen, we can cut it when there's an invalidation. Like stop loss isn't the one reason to get out. I like that execution there. I try to practice that as
Hey.
well. When the trade setup is no longer there, preserve some capital, which is exactly what you did, Gabe. That's fantastic.
Yeah,
I gotta
thanks,
respect
Mandy.
the way I respect the way you adapted there, Gabe. In real time, Mandy as well. They must have been paying attention to the Top Step TV tip of the week, which
Ooh.
is, I'll tell you what,
Nice.
learn to
Nice, Gabe.
adapt. That's exactly what they did. They adapted. They embraced the market volatility, analyzed past mistakes. They reassess goals regularly in real time. Self-awareness. Job well done. Again, Top Step TV tip of the week. We bring you a new one. Well, every week. So that's what, 52 a year?
It's true.
Short start.
Are you asking how many weeks are in a year?
Is it 52? Leap years too? It's also
I think you might be
52 in a
right.
leap year? Oh,
Yes.
we learn something new every day. How about that? Don't get shorts. Shorts no good. I'm buying it. How do you get a Top Step?
I don't want to
mortgage?
buy.
Ah.
Like I want to buy, but I don't. I don't know why I don't trust it. You know, it's Sheesh. I mean, we've been really slow since that move. Longs look intriguing, but is this just going to be a consolidation zone? I mean, how much? We're in a 70-point range. No, I guess you could say 100-point range since the first.
Right now? Yeah. Incredible.
Yeah. Since the high. And there can be opportunity, but I don't know why I'm scared to take the long.
So Dre, you were talking about our weird calendar, right? With the 52
Yeah.
weeks. I once
Yeah,
heard like the
that's-
best idea ever of like how we should change the calendar. We could have, this is what we're giving up. We could have 13 months with all 13 months being 28 days, 4 weeks.
Whoa.
All right.
Never thought
And
about
then
that.
what would happen is then you'd have one extra day. That's New Year's Day. It's not a day. It's not a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's just New Year's Day.
What?
In this calendar, every
Yeah.
date would fall on the same day every year. And we just have 13 months of 4 weeks.
Really?
What?
Oh
And then
my
in leap
God.
year, you get a bonus day. Leap day is its own day.
Which would
This
obviously
would
be a
so much
holiday.
simpler.
Wait,
Yeah.
what?
An extra day off.
Whoa.
What?
Literally
That's what I'd love.
Mind is blown.
What? Oh man. 13 months, all perfectly symmetrical, yeah? Besides the
So, what would
the
be the
holiday.
13th month name? What would you call the
Great
13th
question.
month, Jack?
Chat, help us out. What would be the 13th
Ooh.
month name?
Oh, that's a
Wrong or
good
answers. What would be the name? October.
James says Jack Ember.
Yeah.
Crypto.com.
Well, yeah, be sponsored. We would definitely be
Yeah.
Top Step, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
What will the name be? MP, can we sponsor the 13th month?
Jacuary.
I wonder how
October.
expensive that would be, and who'd we be really
Isn't
be
that the
paying
plot
for
of
that?
Infinite Jest?
Is it?
There's a plot of Infinite Jest.
I don't know. I never finished it.
My
This
oh,
game is
I
a
get killed these
Rocktober.
days. I get killed on these type of days. Mm,
We,
All
I
right.
mean, yeah,
I get
just held
I
the
get destroyed on
7,400
these type of days.
in the spot market. Doesn't want to go below it.
No.
Back
Double
up
top?
to previous
I got
daily
nothing.
high here. You got
Chad.
255s up from Monday. Might have some
It
more
did
room
not
here.
go lower. Every reason to
pop.
go. Yeah. Yup. Get out of these shorts. Every reason to go lower. It did not. This is the days I get killed. All right. Oh, shorts. Almost new. Do we print new highs? New highs. NQ 28,200 would be that price. 1,000-point rally. 1,000-point rally since Power Hour.
Micron just overtook
New highs.
Microsoft. Big day for Micro starting. What's
Just get
MicroStrategy
out,
doing?
Jesus.
MicroStrategy is only up 3.4%, but now Micron is up 16.2%.
All right. Just buy it. New
Caveman.
highs NQ. This is, yeah. Buy.
255s, here we come.
I think Trader John said that like there's still no liquidity in the single stock futures. I think
Will be.
regardless, they picked
Will
it
be.
like an unfortunate time because what do you do with single stock futures when Microsoft is up 15% in a day?
Wow. Up and away, up and away. New highs ES, new highs NQ. We are continuing to cook. Wow. Just don't think, just
About
buy.
20 points off from Monday's high,
Yeah.
or Monday's pivot high
What's going
in
to
the
take us?
afternoon, I
What's
should
going to take
say.
us lower? Yeah. What's going to take us lower?
News? Like a tweet?
And 30 year,
Finally.
30 year yields. Yeah. Net gas number coming out the bottom of the hour. Just about 60 seconds. Great.
Or why is the dollar index
you, Lona.
melting down?
Thank you, Lona. The
Inflation worries.
Dixie.
Bitcoin calm.
Why are we stalling on this rally? These days are so tricky. We got bottom of the hour incoming. Don't forget Top Step Labs. Stay tuned. That's a little something cooking for you there. But Gabe, Mandy, how'd it go? Did you enjoy Fast Markets? Will you come
Yeah,
back?
and it was fun being here with you. Yeah, absolutely.
Was it? It was real.
Yeah, I enjoyed
Was
it.
it fun?
The mornings
Was it
are
really
mornings are
fun?
a little different. I don't get the opportunity to spend some mornings with you, so I
Yeah.
think it's a change of pace from the typical afternoons. But yeah, happy to be here. Mandy, great trading. Glad you're able to catch a nice winner on that long.
Thank you.
Andre's looking for more
Appreciate it.
shorts.
No, I'm looking for longs and they
Good to hear
going
it.
higher. Stop trading. I am getting destroyed. All right, Mandy, a couple words, let you get out of here. Then we'll throw it to the Dr. Volatility. Was he in the lab? I don't know. Go ahead, Mandy. Couple
Yeah,
words.
of
Great
course.
trading.
Gabe, good to see you. Not often that we get to spend time together. It's been a hot minute, so good to hang out with you. Great trading today. Even though it was an L, you've managed very, very well, and that's the most important thing: maintaining that risk capital. I'm gonna say the same thing. Kind of with that, manage your risk. If you're green, use those Top Step risk features, those lockout features that they have. They have a trailing daily profit stop for you guys. So use that. That's what gets me to payouts. And yeah, it's been a pleasure. Thanks so much. I will not be here tomorrow.
No.
Yeah, sorry. I
What?
gotta take care of myself. I got a little procedure tomorrow. So
You got life.
we will
Like
catch
real
you guys
life.
next week. I'm
Mhm.
starting my weekend early Thanks for having me. This is a good Friday for me, you guys.
That's right.
Appreciate it.
Well, it was a good
Of course.
Thursday for us. Mandy, thank you so much. We'll get those initial balance high and low prices after this. But without further ado, Dr. Volatility, were you in the lab? What's going on? What's going on at Top Step Labs? That was Josh.
What's going on? What's
Take it away.
going on? There's a lot going on because, all right, chat. Hey, everybody out there. Hey, party people. You guys ready for the big news? Because guess what? The lab has reopened. That's right. Struggling to get this lab coat on. You're watching this in real time. Can I get a hell yeah in the chat? Let's get it for a hell yeah in the chat. Me struggling with this lab coat.
Hell yeah.
Because you know it. You know it, you love it, and you might be trading one right now. The 25K static trading combine is back for a limited time. And you know it. Okay, we're gonna do some science experiment here because on Top Step TV in these labs, we're going all out, baby. That's right. This is, well, let's just make science happen. Yeah! With a one-time fee of $75, you unlock 25K in buying power, a smaller account, lower price, same shot at funding, a 4K payout cap. That's the same cap as the 50K account. It has a $1,000 static max loss limit, which means stay above $24,000 and reach $2,000 in profits, and your max loss limit never moves. And once more for the guys in the back, the 25K static account is a one-time fee. You wanted that, and we're delivering. Like all Top Step Labs drops, this is limited, and you have to act now if you want in. The link to get started is pinned in chat, and you never know what when or what we're gonna drop. And new labs are always coming, old labs are always re-releasing, and you never know what could be on the horizon. Stay tuned into Top Step TV and get on the labs email list if you want to be in the know. Chat, are you excited? Can I get one more hell yeah? I got green vinegar going everywhere behind me, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to a quick break before we're back with Hogue and the market pit stop. I almost said market break. Market pit stop right after this.
Today's episode of Top Step TV is brought to you by the letter Z. Z is for December. Traders use the letter Z for the December contract.
Oh, we're back.
Are here.
Dakota,
We
Mandy,
are-
Dakota, everything's getting switched around. We're back.
Here we are.
25K. We're back. Yes, 25K static combine right here, right now. Tip of the week. Wow, look at this. Andrew's freaking out back there. What's up, Dakota? Good to
Yeah,
have you
right.
on. What's
Matt,
going on, Dakota? Did you
up in the live account from last night.
Pretty
Last
well.
night, Slow Markets
Okay.
was a good one. So you can see I'm up $233. It's been a good month in the live account. And I'm actually, Andre, getting
Yes,
my
Dakota, what do you got?
25 account right here, right now. So
Ooh, another
25K
one?
static? 25K static? That lab? I'm going to test out that lab.
Yeah, there's a link in the chat. Link is in the chat for the 25K static combine.
But other than that, you want to talk about dispersion?
What does dispersion mean?
Oh yeah.
What's
It's no longer
dispersion mean?
5%, Jack. It's now Micron's up or down 10% plus every day. This
Yeah. Dispersion is the idea of like the volatility in the index itself versus the volatility of the actual underlying components. And it's been crazy through this whole market regime, I'll call it. But for instance, today we're up 1.2% in the SPX, which is like a good solid day. Meanwhile, as Dakota mentioned, Micron's up 16%, Microsoft's up 15.25%. Amazon's up nearly 5%. They have earnings after the bell today. So what's down? Oh yeah, other side. Meta's down 9.4%. Zuckerberg's back to doing Zuckerberg things, guys. He is loving to take some cash and, burn it like the
Burn it.
Joker or something. Yeah.
Remember the whole metaverse thing? That was,
Yeah, they
Bad
pulled the
taste
plug
in
on
my
that. Also, yeah, link in the chat. 25K static combine. Are you kidding me? Another cool drop. This is experiment 1 version 2.0. Pretty simple. Stay above $24,000. Make $2,000. So don't hit your 1K
yeah,
max
I'm
loss
looking at
limit.
it now, Andre.
And the loss limit doesn't move. Static, hello. Again, one-time fee. Dakota, traders talking about it. Keep pumping it out. Limited quantity available, mind you. So get in there, scoop them up while
It's
you
very popular
can.
on social media, Andre. Everyone's talking about that one-time
that right?
activation fee. So that's what this is.
Are you kidding
correct?
me?
You just want
Again?
one time. It's a one-time activation fee.
Yeah. In there. They are not. Grab them while they're here. Grab them while they're here. What does it mean static? Static. Don't hit your 1K loss limits. 1K, right? Make 1,000. Don't lose 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Loss limit doesn't move.
All right. Oh, it's the same.
James?
It's the same withdraw as the 50K.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the same payout cap as the 50K.
4K. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Dr. Volatility. Wow. Not only bring the volatility, but bringing. Are you protege of Dr. Josh in the lab there? All right, Dakota. So how are you going to attack this 25?
Here it is, man. I got it.
All right, let's rock this thing, man. Let's rock this thing.
I'm going to start with 1 micro, to be honest. Maybe
Yep.
2. The daily loss limit's 500. And with this volatility, you could make or lose that $500 with a few micros very fast. So I'm going to start with 2 micros, actually. Allow me to.
Long or short?
Hold on, listen.
Help me.
That's $1 million question, Andre.
Oh, I thought you were saying
I-
up a trade. Why aren't we going higher? What are your thoughts on this, Dakota? We've rallied 1,000 points since Power Hour yesterday in the NQ.
I know. Just last night during slow markets, we were at 27,200. We're 1,000 points
yeah.
higher.
Yes, we are.
I would
What's going on?
expect a little bit more consolidation right now, maybe a little bit of a pullback. But everyone knows in the chat, if I sit here and short it, we're gonna have 100 people saying, "Why are you fading this trend?"
I've shorted it a
Trend is
bunch
your
of times.
friend.
I'm down 5 Gs, Dakota. Shorting it's not good. Don't short.
Then
Don't
if you
short.
take a loss shorting it on air, you,
I'm long and then losing.
Yeah.
All right, well, what's the setup here?
Yeah,
We got.
I mean the trend is like the rotation too. So like the semiconductor index, Dakota, I've never seen it up this much. It's up 9.2%. The index software's down 0.5%. So we got nearly a 10-point spread
When are
between
they going to buy this?
the components
Oh.
here.
All right, let's get those initial balance high, initial balance low prices jotted down. Help me out in the chat if you're using that indicator in Top Step X. Guess what it's called? TSX IB. Hello. So you click on that and you get the highest and lowest price. First hour of the New York session. For ES, that price would be 7,446.
All right, I'm taking it.
What are you taking? Long or short?
I'm
Just
taking
tell
the
me.
short.
Damn it.
I'm taking this short from 214, Andre.
Great.
Yeah, this is got to be a quick in and out.
Hey, 214.
Yeah.
214. Yeah, initial balance high.
And this we're just gonna
744.
When's the last time we had a zombie rally day?
For the last 12
Maybe
hours,
today.
Dakota. The last 15 hours been zombie rallying, man. These shorts ain't working. But hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah, have you been on the way up?
Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
up 1,000 points and not much of a pullback or consolidation.
Uh-uh. And they lure you in. They lure the shorts in right around here. What did we do?
We are
Got
at the
me in
top of
there.
this little range in the ES
Yeah.
right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, we are.
Pullback happened overnight.
Right. What's that?
Incredible. It's
This
relentless.
pullback happened overnight. Yeah, I could see that. Happened before London. But even then, right? This New York session, we've rallied
What about oh shit?
400
Yeah, sorry.
points. But
Yeah.
we'll see.
ES found looks to be some more buying here. Stalling out. NQ. Initial balance high. We're looking at 28,240. 240. Initial balance low 27,000. 813.
There's that
Again,
resistance at these 230s.
link in the chat. Get those 25K Santa combines. Get them while they're hot, hot, hot. Top Step Labs bringing you another drop. Many more to come, I can tell you that. Saw them in the lab with their beakers, microscopes, Bunsen burners. What else did I learn in biology in class? What else was there?
Hey, look at this. Look at this.
Would you look at that? Come on, Dakota, let's get it.
Would you look? We're green on the screen.
In your range
Lucky.
after all.
Yeah.
We actually look at that. Wow. Wow. Okay.
Just the big one.
We got some sellers stepping in a little bit.
Hey, Shubham. Job well done.
I'm going to take one off right there at 85.
Nice, Dakota. Is this in your 25K? Is this your live account?
This is my 25K, Andre.
Let's go, man.
25K.
Let's get it.
I'm green in the live account from last night in slow markets.
Are you long?
Yeah.
I knew it.
I can't remember.
I knew it. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. But look at this short printing now, everyone. Look at
Yeah.
this.
It is. Come on,
Almost
baby.
50 points. I'm going to take another one off right there. I got one on for a runner. All right, job's done.
I hate you, Dakota. I hate you. Awesome stuff. Let's see where they went. Great job, man.
50 points.
Now the
You
bottom
just-
end of the range.
Just saunter in here, take a short, and just like that, man. That's why you're the best, man. That's why you're the best. Just incredible. He doesn't, Chat. How about that, Chat? Dakota.
What do we do?
My
What do we do?
favorite AI. Nice username. I think you're right. Leopold getting liquidated was the bottom, at least for now. I mean, can you imagine Dre being like liquidated with the VIX below 20?
And then
What
just
a
to
world.
see
The
this
VIX is
happen-
fake, by the way.
It is now, yeah.
Yeah.
Just to see this happen, it would be maddening. Oh, look at this! Don't you dare! What's going on in the other markets? Crude $84.13 last trade there. On the calendar, what do we have? 12:30 p.m. Central Time. President will have an event or an announcement. All right, what's the next setup, Dakota? Help me.
Well, we're letting this one play out first. See if we could
All
get
right.
continuation
Deal.
lower. Small chance. Small chance. I'm curious if 28,000, that level, will come into play. Maybe come test the 28,000.
Oh my God. Yep.
60s. I don't know. That's kind of a stretch. Come test these closer to 28,000, especially with
Yeah.
all the buying today. But ACH, anything can happen.
Are these? Is this just the low end of the range right here to perhaps? How are you reading this price action in the NQ right now? See what could be a pullback, or could this be continuation of the downside? We saw buyers get rejected a little bit there. However, line in the sand right now seems.
That's what we all want to know, right? Is this just a pullback for continuation higher? Or is there an actual reversal? That's why I love multiple contracts, Andre, is because I can take profit. I've already taken some profits, and then I could just leave a contract on for a runner. So that way, if we do get a deeper sell off, I could try and take advantage of it. And then I'll just trail this. I'll just trail this. I'm managing it. Right now, we just put in another pivot right there at these 190s. So I'll just move my stop loss just above that pivot and just let it play out. If this market wants to dump, I'll take it. I'll take it. What's the max P&L on this 25K account? Just so I know.
2. You got to make 2. Don't lose 1 and make 2.
Okay, so 1,000 a day, right?
Keeps the risk manager away.
Keeps the risk manager.
Keeps Mick away. We got gold down ticking here a little bit. 41.61 ES, about 18 points off the highs right now. 74.29 last trade. The bulls.
We are back at 7,400 SPX. To range or not to range right now? Looks like it's continuing.
Oh, ES. Will NQ follow? ES selling off. 74.25 last trade. 74.24. Why are we selling off? Dow's selling off.
Maybe some news out of the Middle East. We got oil rallying a little bit. I mean, we have some stuff about Houthis attacked Saudi Arabia from Iraqi territory with Iraqi militias, according to 2 officials in the region.
All right, we are seeing some downside pressure here in the ES and Q as well. Dow selling off.
Is the top
short from Dakota? Well, you just parachute in here. Parachute in here. Oh, this looks like a short. Oh, oh, you were right. That's what you do. That's why Dakota. That's why you slow markets.
Overcomplicate trading, man. I show it in slow markets too, and I try and show it on air. The more simple you can make your trading, for me, in my point of view, the easier it is. Just simple. Manage risk. Yeah. DBA concepts.
DBA concepts. All yes. Again, 25K static combine link in the chat. Go get those. Chat saying short was easy. PC as expected is good, right? Yeah. Apparently, yeah.
Apparently. You just short it and the market goes down. Buy it, goes up.
I mean, you ain't kidding. Also, click subscribe. We're getting closer and closer to 220,000 subscribers. Click it, please. 70% short tilt in the ES. Is there more room to the downside? Dakota's an animal. Indeed he is. Oh, ding. Now, who we got? Oh, market pit stop. Whoa, Hogue, what's up, man? If you're good to go for a little breakdown, I could surely use it. What's happening, Hogue?
Sorry, I'm tardy. I don't feel tardy, but I am tardy. We certainly need a pit stop. It's a little bit late. Tires are bald. We're out of gas. And it seems like the rally's a little bit out of gas here in the equities as well. So let's take a look. This morning on the opening call, we were watching very carefully if the market was going to open above the base of the late spike to the downside yesterday, 27,409. And it did certainly open above that, indicating rejection of lower pricing. The buyers came in. They've taken us above yesterday's high. They've taken us basically right back to the trend line where we kind of broke on Monday. It's been resistant ever since. We are testing that trend line now. We do have a little bit of excess, a little bit of a look above the initial balance high, a little selling tail up there, little failed upside auction. Dakota's currently taking advantage of this pullback. Don't know how far this pullback's going to go. If it does finish, it could go all the way back down to the initial balance low, 27,813 quarter. I'm still looking for opportunities for longs as long as we hold. And this is a long way down right now, folks. We've got 27,409. The base of the late spike to the downside yesterday, showing a rejection of lower pricing. And we've got the weekly kickoff low right in that area as well, 27,400. That would be quite the move to the downside. I think that would probably take some kind of news. Let's take a look at the S&Ps, because the S&Ps have been, to me, a lot more interesting as a market, because we've seen huge amounts of open interest being accumulated on these last 4 days. We're talking about 132,000, something like that. New contracts have been accumulated with really positive delta, and we have really positive delta again today. We're positive 17,000 contracts in the S&Ps today. We're not out of the woods to the downside yet here, folks. We're still seeing quite possibly some longer time frame sellers up against these longs that have just piled into this market. We're seeing this market really pull off that initial balance high with the failed upside auction in the Nasdaq. This could be the high for the session right now. That's something that I usually don't call that, but with the failed upside auction in the Nasdaq and with the momentum we're seeing off those highs, I can certainly see the initial balance low in the S&Ps being rechecked, 37,990, 37, 73.99.75. Sorry about that, as a potential target for shorts off of those highs. We're still inside the range from yesterday. We're still inside value. S&P's traded right to value high from yesterday. Had a little bit of trouble. 200 session simple moving average up there as well. For a little confluence, market has turned. It has turned. We did see some pretty decent buying coming in shorter time frame, most likely with that really positive delta. Are we still seeing longer time frame sellers in this market? We very well might be. Take a quick look at gold. Gold has been in a range, or a rotational range, and it remains in that rotational range. We looked at the weekly kickoff low yesterday. We rotated. We looked at the weekly kickoff high today, and we are continuing to just go from low to high to low to high to low to high. No major changes in the market state in gold. Rollover is now over. Right now, it's balance to breakout rules. Fade the extremes. Go with a major breakout outside of the current area of balance. And crude oil is just kind of doing its thing here. So we looked below weekly kickoff low on Tuesday. We've gapped higher, so we've got an island bottom here. Now the question is, if that's gonna be an island bottom, how good is the rally off of that island bottom? And to me, it doesn't look that good. This is such a fundamentally driven market, a news driven market. Right now, it is hanging around looking for more news. We haven't even looked outside of the initial balance high in crude oil, 84.52, initial balance low, 82.97. Haven't even looked outside of it. This market is waiting for new information, and it's likely to get some. The longer we hang around, the longer we're going to see some headline that is going to change things. Anyways, that's my story. I've got new tires, got a tank full of gas,
Oh, it's good.
ready to party. What's happening, guys?
Oh,
Good to see you.
nice.
I am.
Let's look out below. Dakota?
Andre, I'm gonna go ahead and
short too,
close
baby.
this for some profit right now.
I am
I'm gonna
short
call
too, my
this
man.
call this good. I'm taking profit here at 040s. And
Yay.
dead.
What's that?
Almost
that was
200
off.
points on that last one lot there. Dakota, nice job.
Yeah,
Dakota?
yeah, not too bad. Not too bad for the first trade of the day here.
At
in Fast
25K? Is
Finally-
Link still in the chat?
You got the short.
We caught the short.
Ever. We are in the midst of a very, very aggressive sell off right now. About 200 points or so in the NQ. ES 35 points lower. What changed? What just changed?
Well,
Dakota, I bet your runner could have gotten to 27,813.
Maybe it could have. But this was my stretch target right here at these 28,000, like
Yeah.
20,000. You can see these highs the past
Mhm.
week, right? We're right here, right there. 20,000, 30s, 40s. It's a big zone, and I'm fine with it. Up 450. Like we were just talking, the profit target on these are what, 2,000. So
Uh-huh. Again,
don't want to get
link
there
in
too
the chat.
fast.
Yeah. We are, where do they want work? And this what's that delta looking like? What targets, if any, do we have? Can we give back this? And oh man.
Oh yeah.
I
So when I was doing the pit stop, Delta
Yeah.
was up around 17,000. It's fallen to 14.6 right now.
Uh-huh.
So
14
a lot of those buyers have turned tail and headed the other direction. With the failed upside auction in the Nasdaq, the target would be the initial balance low, which is the level I just mentioned, 27,813.
I'm with it.
I'm long.
Okay. You're long?
Yep, I'm long 51.
Oh,
All right.
5-1.
See if we catch a little bounce here.
So today's value low, Dakota, is 28,021.
21. What's value low, Hogue? Why does it matter? Or why can't it
Well,
matter?
value is really what we're trading here. Price is an advertising mechanism. Value is where price is being accepted. It's 70% of the time or 70% of the volume has traded inside of value. So that is the accepted price range so far. So if we're going to look at this here, let me just put the profile on today's session. This is the volume profile. So we are looking at value. Let me get this up here.
All right. Taking some profits.
Hang on. We are looking at value, volume value low
Yeah.
is currently 036. So it's a little bit higher than TPO value. This area here, 036 to the high, is where the bulk of the volume has been.
Yeah.
And that is the accepted price range so far. But if value starts to move lower, we look for opportunities for shorts. Value starts to move higher, which it has been moving higher throughout the session today.
Uh-huh.
Odds are we're probably still going to accept prices at higher levels. I'd have to look at the profiles to well, I mean, I'm looking at the profiles. If we get down below 28,023, which is this TPO value low, and we spend time down there, that's when I could see us rolling all the way down to the initial balance low of 27,813.
Beneath 023s. All right. Dakota, you still long? What the hell are you doing over there?
Yeah, I took I took two of them for profit there at those 80s.
What price do you want?
I was long from 51, and I took those 80s and the 90, and then I'm out.
Okay. ES working its way lower. What a two-way trade. What? This is no headlines, right? This is just straight price action.
Nothing
11 close,
serious
bottom of the
yet.
hour, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Ooh, shit, Hogue. We just got beneath it. Hogue.
Yep. All right. And we're starting to drag value lower on the TPO charts.
Right.
That's not a good sign. We're probably going to roll all the way down to the initial balance low now. And the NASDAQ again, 27,813.
Yeah. Let's see what
Unless we
happens
find
here.
buyers here, we're in trouble.
It's just, what was that buy? What was that whole rally? Dakota, nice short up there. Jack, anything going on in yields? Are we above 5.2 in the 30? Anything like
Yeah, or at least we were a few minutes ago. Oil is bidding up a little bit, and yeah, we're at 5.22 right now in the 30-year.
come on. Are we really?
Yeah. I
Get
like
outta
I think there is, like you were saying, like where'd all that buying come from? I really think, 30% of the NQ last I checked or something is like the semiconductors, and that's still
Yeah.
up 7.6%, but at the highs it was up nearly 10%. So I do think it's the idea that there was a lot of forced liquidations yesterday that were overdone, and it's time to buy, the stocks we've been mentioning all day. We still got Micron up. Micron. Micron is up 13.6%. Microsoft's still up 14%.
Tell you what, those 1,000 lots up in the ES and fill in the offer 74.36, 74.42. Nice fills. Let's put it that way. Nice fill. Dakota, you flat? Or you still in this long?
No, I'm flat. I'm looking to see if we get down to 28,000 or we hold this.
Yeah, that's
Not
what I'm
sure.
waiting for too. Right? That's what I gotta wait for.
Considering taking a short here.
Me too.
Well,
Yeah.
Summer of indicators. I'm looking to start
Yeah.
working with a new indicator.
What do you got?
Old dog, new tricks. I'm looking at the momentum squeeze.
The momentum squeeze. What? The momentum squeeze?
Yes. I think
What-
it's
who?
based off Bollinger Bands,
Okay.
but it's right down here. So in a shorter time frame, the trend to the upside has broken. We are now in a downtrend. Not a
Oh,
strong one yet.
what the hell?
This is on a 3-minute chart. So I'm still playing with different time frames to see if we can turn me into a scalper. Let's see.
I mean, we're gonna do it right here, right now. Did you take the short, Dakota?
Yeah, I'm short. I'm short right here at 097.
You're always getting better fills than me. A little uptick in ES, more than an uptick. About 12-point turnaround higher here, 74.17 last trade. 30-year looking to perhaps push lower, yields continuing to increase. Again, link is still in the chat. For those 25K static combines. Top Step Labs bringing it to you.
All right. We've moved value lower, but we seem to be holding now.
Wait, say that one more time. Move value
So
lower.
we've moved value lower in the TPO charts, and we seem to be holding due to volume. Volume value is holding.
Is Delta going positive then? Or we could growing
Four-
positive?
14.5 right now in the ES. 14.5. NASDAQ 3,000 positive.
Oh. Okay.
At least
Right,
they're
but it's still
heading in the same direction today.
Yeah, that helps. That definitely helps. Dakota let you manage these shorts. Let's see if we get another push lower with the doctor. Did he take the
That's
lab
the hard
coat off? Hey, Dr. Volatility.
You're-
James.
You're
Come on
selling
in.
low value.
Yeah, I'm out. I took a
Hard to-
loss
it's
in
hard to
that one.
manage the
I'm
risk.
out.
Yeah.
All
I'm out. I might try it again, Andre, because I still like the potential
Oh,
for
I'm still short,
another
Dakota.
push
I'm still
lower.
Yeah.
You're still short?
Yeah, I'm back in the green, by the way. But let's get to Dr.
Nice.
Volatility. Dr.
Nice.
Volatility, come on in here. Let's get some announcements. What's up, James?
What's up, everybody? I'm back, and I'm here to tell you some things that I think are really important for you to know, especially when we talk about the Top Step Discord server. Now, if you know all about Discord, you may think of it as only the place to hang out with your friends while playing video games and cyberbullying others. But don't worry, Discord cats and kittens, we have a cool Top Step Discord just for you traders out there, and you can go ahead and click on the link in chat and join it today, because when you do join the Top Step Discord, you're going to be able to talk to thousands of traders just like yourself. Never trade alone with TopStep TV and the TopStep Discord. Along with meeting fellow traders, you can find dedicated trading rooms for the languages you speak, the products you trade, and the products you don't trade. Ask questions, learn from others. There's even a dedicated TopStep TV channel if you want to harass us in there, as well as a YouTube chat. We got tons and tons and tons of opportunities going on in Discord, so check it out today. Lots of cool Discord events heading your way in the future, so go ahead and log in today and join one of the largest trading communities out there, only on the Top Step Discord. Did I mention we have really helpful mods and ambassadors in there? So if you have any questions, you can spam them in the chat, or you can go to Discord where you can probably get the answer right away. So go ahead and check out our Discord today if you're not already a member. Then, when you're done doing that, we kind of talked about it already. It's still pinned in the chat, but we have re-released the 25K Static Trading Combine. That's right. Now remember, these combines are in limited quantities, so act now if you want to secure yours. Click on the link in chat, read the details, and make sure you get started on the right foot. It's only a one-time fee of $75. That's right, one-time fee. And you get 25K in buying power, a 4K payout cap, the exact same payout cap as the 50K trading combine, and it has a $1,000 static max loss limit. What that means is all you got to do is stay above $24,000 and reach $2,000 in profits, because your maximum loss limit never moves. And once more for the guys in the back, the 25K static account is a one-time fee. You guys asked for it, and it's here. Again, these are in limited quantities, so go ahead, click on the link in chat and secure yours today. Then when you're done, you have a shiny new 25K static trading combine. You probably have some questions. Well, go ahead, crack out your handy dandy notebook and tune in for group coaching today at 12 p.m. Central Time. You can ask those questions to a panel of experts and get real-time analysis and real-time answers. Now, go ahead and click on the link in chat for group coaching. We're going to let this one float through the chat because we want to leave that 25K one pinned. But if you have a question for group coaching, just ask and one of our mods can get you the link. And fun fact, you can bookmark it. It doesn't change. We use the same link every day. And then once you submit your question, tune in at 12 p.m. to catch group coaching with Eric, Hogue, and Jack will be hanging by. So if you have any questions for Jack Bonds, you can drop them in the link and then tune back in. Again, that's today at 12 p.m. Central Time. All right, guys, that's all I got for you for now. So I'm going to throw it back to the guys in fast markets because I know that these charts are rocking. Andre, back to you.
Dr. Val, job well done.
Nice.
Crude popping, yields going higher, and this is when they do what they just did. I was in the green. Now we are railing. What's up, Mo? Mohammed, lower left-hand corner.
Good
Let's
morning,
make that
everyone.
money, Mo. Are you long or short? Are you up money?
I'm flat right now. This is sitting in the middle of the opening range, 30-minute opening range, exactly the middle. So let's see if the price gets rejected from here. I will be looking for a short. Can see the high of the 30-minute opening range in ES 7,440, the low 7,400. So there's 40 points of range. The price couldn't even close above the opening range high and rejected. Do nothing at the 50%. So this is a retest now of the break of the 50%. So if I see a strong setup for a short, I will take it from here. So let's wait for the next couple of minutes. Let's see how this price is doing.
Where are you looking for? Okay.
Yeah, this is the 30-minute opening range. This is the high, 40, low, 7,400. You can see how the reaction in the 50% of that range. You can see the rejection up there. It is not coincident that they couldn't even close 5 minutes above it. And we have an opening range set up to the short side, just waiting for my 2000 tick chart to give me the signal. Maybe this is it. Yeah, I'm short now. 10 micros. What happened?
price? Oh no, what a cliffhanger. When Mo gets back, he's short 10 micros. I'm guessing from right around 74.13 or 74.12.
Let me wait.
Where you are, Mo, what price?
Yeah, I should be short at 7,411, but something is strange here. The prices get rejected. Maybe, just maybe, I have the position. No, I have nothing.
Now they're gonna.
I don't know. Let me give it some
Oh,
time.
you got it. No worries.
should
No
be
worries,
short.
Mo.
Woo.
Okay.
I'm over here printing, Andre.
Dakota's
Are you short? Who's short?
Yeah, 121.
121?
Yeah, Andre, we're getting good.
Dude, man.
This is wild.
I was short from like 70s, taking heat. I just got out, whatever. ES, let's see ES pushing lower. Here we go. The 30-year, I'm watching this 30-year price is just,
I think we
going
hit
lower.
28,000 evens here,
I think so too.
but
I hope so.
28,000 evens. I might have to close out earlier because the max profit in a day in this account is 1,000. I'm almost there.
Are you really on micros? Just trade micros. How long you been here?
Just trade
45
micros.
minutes? 45 minutes? That's
Yeah,
25K.
less than an hour. Just you guys are watching it, trading a few micros, and make
You're only
lose a
short
lot of
one?
money real quick. I'm only short one right now from 121.
Doesn't want to
I
make too
missed
much
that
money.
short.
No Mo, no Phil.
I mean, there is a fill, but obviously they have this the new 20K that I was having
you got one, Mo.
a long position there, so I forget about
Oh.
it. It's one
Oh.
micro. I forget about
Okay.
it. So when I wanted to
Okay.
go short, it gave me the hedge position
see.
here. So
I gotcha. All
cancelled
right.
immediately. Anyway,
Gotcha. Okay, what do we trade? Well,
We're flushing. I want to see 28,000s, maybe 27,990s. But I do have to close this one out early because profit target hit. And I'll just switch to my
why are
live
you
account.
laughing? Is that what you're thinking in your head? Be honest.
Man. Like,
Is that what you're thinking
we
in your
used
head?
to think
I know
we
you're
used to
thinking
think 100 points in the market was a huge move. Remember when I first joined Top Step TV, that 100-point move, and we're like, something's happening, something dramatic. That's just an average move now.
So awesome. I need them.
Well, we got crude
come on.
cooking to the
I know.
upside. Got
The
close to
market is
85 bucks.
punishing me.
Man, on ES,
I mean-
ES.
Yes, full rotation to IB low.
The price is that, Hogue?
Here, I think we
Weaker,
still
right, Hogue?
need
Yeah.
7,400 for me.
73.99.
ES 7,400 is the opening range low, still target.
Oh,
Yep.
all right. Dakota short from 121, 20,121. Last trade, 28,028 ES. Can it get through the 7,400s?
Looking pretty good, man. I want at
Can I
least hit the
cry?
big round number.
Yeah.
Big round 28,000.
Strong
I
men
cry?
cry too, Muhammad. Strong men cry too.
Can I cry to you, Andre?
Hey, Mo, get back in there. There's still more room to the
I was
downside.
looking for this short. This is my
you can
target,
get in
by
there.
the way.
You can get in there. There's still room to
I
the
did,
downside.
but I had
Oh, you're in
I
for
had
the
a
price,
long
Mo.
position in another account I forget about. So
I know, but get back. We'll worry about that later. Get short. What price you short from, Mo? We got this.
yeah, I'm afraid I have to figure it out because if that position is still long
Oh.
and I keep shorting, that's a
I know.
violation, So I have to take a
Yeah,
minute.
well,
So I need to see what's
Okay, all
going
right.
on.
We'll let you. Okay, fair enough. We'll let you.
And the
figure it
market
out.
never come back to my entry. My entry was 7,411. Never came back to it. Never. Anyway, stop complaining. There is a lot of opportunity. Let's change the mindset. I'm not crying.
Let's go. I love you, Mo.
You
What do
are.
you do to reset? What do you do to reset, Mo? Shit, shorts.
Looking at you.
Oh, I love you, Mohammed. Thank you, Mohammed. I know he does. I wish we could let him, James. Oh, that wasn't the other one. Gold with.
All right, I'm out.
Now
I'm
Well-
just gonna get out here.
What
Wait
do you
for another
got
setup.
Mission accomplished.
10-year is
Sellers, mission accomplished.
no 30-year is continuing to grind lower prices. I mean, that means yields going
Mhm.
higher.
So now we got a
They
failed downside
sure-
auction in the ES.
Oh, great. Well, at least not good for my shorts here. Hogue, is it?
It's not
This is amazing.
confirmed yet, Andre, but
We're going lower, man. We're
got a
going
pretty
lower.
good bounce off of it. Got a pretty good
Gotcha.
bounce off of it.
Okay. Dakota, you got all those shorts?
Yeah, but I'm back in.
Yeah, let's go. Hell yeah, baby.
59. Yeah, I don't
What's the
mind just getting
momentum
out,
squeeze?
back in, trying to scalp it up, see if I could get this move lower.
Now you're short again. Huh?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
What
Who
price?
has
How many?
control? Sellers.
59
Yeah, Mo, let's
from three
59.
contracts. 3 contracts from 59, Hogue.
Thank you.
Okay, strong grid candle.
welcome.
We'll go short.
Mo, you saw that? Saw that rejection, huh?
Oh, wait.
Yep.
I'm out. I hit the profit target. I still want to be in it for down to 28,000, but
What are you up? What just
that's
happened?
the profit.
What?
What?
You just hit the
You
consistency
can't go
target.
over $1,000.
Just like that? Hell, what?
Oh, yeah, it's over. It's
It
over.
hasn't even been an
yeah.
hour.
Easy
Well,
cake.
Dakota, we want to.
What do we do?
Let's play
This-
with you, Dakota. Why are you playing
It's been
alone?
45 minutes. That is insane. Yo, give it up for Dakota. Click like, subscribe. Do we get 220,000 subscribers yet? Just like that? 45 minutes? Micros? How you doing? Look at the chart. Starting at 9:30 Central. You did what with that chart?
All right, so
Maybe
we'll
there's
just put
something
that one
different
to the
coming in here at
side, and
9:30.
then I'm gonna hop in the live account now.
I'm short.
Let's actually do some damage in the live account.
Let's do some damage. Mohammed, you're short. What price is Mo short from? 10 micros from?
7,404.
Better than me.
Think for break to from these lows. 90s to this 90s. Need to break this 7,400 first.
Yes, we do, Mohammed. Badly. Badly. We need to. And what's 30-year, Jack? Are we at 525?
523. Last night,
Tell you what.
the highs were. We got up to like almost 525, but not quite there.
All right, Dakota, did you activate live mode? 125.
Yeah, I got my live account up.
Just like that, man. Yeah, link's still there in the chat. Get those 25K static combines and just do what Dakota did there. You're good to go.
There, yeah.
Let's try to drive this car. Hey,
Yeah.
John.
That's just gotta just whatever. Is a positive delta growing, Hogue?
Okay. Let's try again to the downside.
15,000 positive.
You had your fun buyers.
600 positive.
Mm. 10 minutes about the hour.
Okay, Microsoft's
Sorry
only
for this
down,
alert.
or sorry, up 14% now. Micron 15%. Meta, the tiniest bit of relief, but down 9%. Tale of two earnings yesterday. Memory bounce is holding too. SanDisk up
Yes.
21.4%.
Yeah.
AMD up
Flip long.
13%. CoreWeave is up 22%. What
Oh,
the
I flipped
F?
long.
Jeez.
We're gonna pop here. Okay, well, Dakota's flipped it into live funded mode. You saw him do what he did in that 25K static. Let's take a look at some of our other live funded trades. We've got 1,000 upside, 74.13 in the ES, 1,000 on the offer. Oh wow, big numbers. Absolutely rocking it right now.
Stopped out.
Yeah, there's a 1,000 lot. Jackson up 28,000. It was filled. Get that price down, Ho. Quentin up 23,000. John up 21,000. Miura up $19,000. Job well done. We'll keep an eye on those names. We'll keep an eye on those prices throughout the day. The live funded leaders absolutely carving it up so far in this wild session. Hogue, what price was that? That got filled in the ES there.
It was right around 74.11.
I'll find it times 74.13. 1,000 on the offer. Filled. Oh, you still short?
087.
No,
Well,
I'm stopped
I don't know
out
bid.
at 12.
On the bid.
Even 412.
74.10 for 500 on the bid now. Somebody scalping this thing?
That'd be incredible. I want to do that just once. All right, 10-year.
Looking for a long here.
Yeah, same Mo. Our 30-year price is going higher now.
Andre, I thought you were long.
I am. Long, short, chasing my tail.
Yeah.
I'm back in the green. Oh, you long or short?
I'm still flat, looking for a long. Just
Okay.
waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. I think we gotta have a rotation at least to 74.20.
Dakota's short.
500
I need a
fill.
big setup.
Go to your short.
Yeah, I'm short from 87. Yeah. I'm still liking to push down to 28,000.
Yeah, buyers just got rejected there, didn't they, Dakota?
Yes, they did.
Dude, you know what?
Andre.
Top Step TV tip of the week, right? Adapts. This market keeps changing every damn 5 minutes. What price you short from? 059?
87.
87s now?
Yeah. Locking in some profit here at these 30s.
This is live.
This is my live account now.
Okay.
Gotta pay the bills. Gotta pay the bills.
You gotta have the skills to pay the bills first.
Gotta have the skills to pay the bills.
So we tune into slow markets for. Look at a 30-year pop. Why is it 30-year price is popping right now? We tune to slow market 7 p.m. Central Time, Sunday through Thursday. Dakota, it is Thursday. Who will be joining you today? Are you going lone wolf?
Sir. Yes, sir. I think I'm usually at lone wolf. Braden will join me either Tuesday or Thursdays, just depending on the
Yeah.
schedule. But man, it's been such great slow markets this week.
You know.
I even dropped some
And it
tea
is-
last night.
Yeah, what was this
I didn't-
rumor? What is this tea you
All
dropped?
those rumors, man. The rumors that spread around. I addressed it last night. That I in fact am a profitable trader in the live accounts, which some was questioning, but yeah, I'm net positive in this live account. I don't understand people question it when we show the executions every day here on Top Step TV. T-Pack, yeah. Traders
Just
love
human
drama.
nature on the internet.
Yeah.
Down to around the overnight VWAP right now in the ES. Not seeing too much
Man, look at
doing in
that.
options.
Okay.
You see that dump?
Sure did.
50 points up and right back down.
Rejection. What is going on? Now the market
Don't
just
see
comes to this
anything
weird.
from buyers.
I don't see anything from sellers either, Mo. It's weird. What just Hogue?
They have control. As long as they have control, you give them the
That was a
benefit
lot.
of the doubt. Buyers, they have to take control back. So Sellers, they maintain control. So
I'm down now.
I am with them.
There's
This is how we
28,000
go-
coming in.
This is how we do it. This is how we go through the. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
This is how we do it. Oh,
We're
man.
getting it. Yes. Yes. Up 85 points. Live account, baby.
Dakota, you're the man.
And that's what I'm looking for. I'm flat. Plus 480 in the live now.
This is how we do.
Back
Oh
in.
man, oh man. What do we get to?
Well, to the downside, we got the John Ross level.
What is it?
7350, big negative gamma, 7380 in the futures.
Does that mean a longer?
Means these could be attractive if we start selling off more.
In 7,400 is not a joke.
No, it's not. I like that. What just happened there for the
This
longs.
is
I
why
like what just happened.
I
like that
lost
for the
my
longs.
first short. I lost my first short because of that 7,400. Then
Me
I
too,
waited for
Mo.
a long, no signal. I cannot take another short now.
Oh,
I need to see a clear break of this 7,400 first.
okay.
Or I will look for a buy.
Happens here in 2.5 minutes. London close. London close. 2.5 minutes. Dakota absolutely carving it up. What was this tea?
Yeah,
What was the tea you spilled? What, I'm seeing something in the
No,
chat.
that was the tea. That was the tea, man. Profitable
right.
live
What was it
account,
really?
And then
Yeah, right. What was it really?
the real tea, Andre, was I'm not going anywhere. Everyone thinks that I'm leaving Top Step TV, but no, I'm staying. I'm here to stay.
Like LeBron.
People
You
make
taking
up
your
their
talents to
own-
South Beach?
Taking my talents to slow markets, baby.
I like what you did
I'm
there.
here to stay. I told everyone I partnered with the best years ago, and I'm gonna continue to stay partnered with the best, and that's right here with you guys.
How'd you find Top Step? I don't know if I know this answer.
No, a friend of mine, we had a bet on who can get funded in a prop firm, and we did all the research, and Top Step was number one. This is like 3 years ago, and one thing led to another. They're like, "Hey, I can't remember what his name was, but it was in like your guys' Discord. They're like, "Hey, do you want to teach a class?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure, I'll teach a class." And then you guys started Top Step TV, and here I am.
Is that really how Top Step TV? No.
Yeah, well, he was
that's
at the
really
top
how
of the
it
live
happened.
board too. That's
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. I was on the number one leaderboard for what, a year and a half?
That's right.
Yeah.
How about that? The rest is history.
I don't
This
know
is
where
history.
some of these. We got 50 seconds until London close. I don't know where any of these like rumors about anything get started because I see him like fly by the chat sometime about like things that I'm just like, well, news to me. Big if I just want to say big
Yeah.
if true to all of them.
What blows my mind more, Jack, is like you'd think that these are reputable sources. Like they have like some of these rumors get started from people that have an actual voice in this industry. And you'd think they'd do a little bit more due diligence and not make assumptions and spend more time focusing on becoming better traders and making the community better rather than that type of stuff. I know it brings the drama and
Drives
the clicks and
engagement.
the eyes, but
Mhm.
yeah, engagement
You
farming.
say voice
but-
in the industry. That's very subjective. Anyways, there's your London close. There you go. It's coming gone. Ho, you got to get out of here. You got morning highlights. You got group coaching. Ho, a couple words. Let you get out of here. Hold my hand, please. Don't leave, Ho. Kidding.
I would like to, Andre, but got to step away. Get ready for morning highlights. Trade well, everybody. Dakota, great job today. It was a tough miss, Mohammed, but you will recover. You will be profitable. I know it. And Jack, Andre,
Thank you.
Mo, Dakota, we'll see you later. We'll see you in a few minutes for the morning highlights. Keep trading well, guys.
Take
Yes,
care.
Ho,
Later,
there-
Hogue.
There he goes. Oh boy, it's just us now, boys.
Those-
This
Well, Jay, at
market
some
is
point in the next half
begging me
hour-
to take a short here.
Me too. Where ESMO
Weird.
74. Just when though,
Yeah, the
right?
problem is
When
7,400. I
it is a
cannot
problem.
stomach selling at 7,400.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I gotta respect my strategy here.
What would it take to take the short to get in short?
I need to see a break below 7,400 and then
Then
a
a retest?
retest.
Oh, what if you don't
Yep.
get the retest? If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. No,
So I don't trade.
fair enough.
Yeah. Maybe looking for a long.
Wait
It's
a
a better
minute.
take, cheaper.
All right. Well, while that plays out, Jack, what earnings do we have again after the bell? And I want to talk about
We got
Robinhood.
Amazon coming out right after the bell, and then Apple about a half an hour later.
Okay. Can we take the pulse of the retail trader from?
Oh, this is one of my favorite things to do.
What
Yeah, let's
what
do it.
did we uncover? What did we uncover with Robinhood? Robinhood earnings came out yesterday.
Well, if we go to my screen real quick, I
Let's
love
see.
looking through, and you can get this
Ooh.
too on their investor relations site. All you want to know about retail trading pretty much here. So in Q2, there are 28.4 million funded customers at Robinhood with an average, let's see if they have this here. The average account size of about $13,000 across 28 million. So the interesting stuff comes in.
What was the average? 13,000?
Here's the one that shows it. Yeah, the
That's a
average.
lot.
So
Oh, that's
this is the total platform assets. You can see the overwhelming. So Robinhood has like $369 billion in assets held by its users, most of which is in equities. But I have a feeling those are the more buy and hold types. You can see here the light green is crypto. Options are the light green. Crypto is a lighter green. It's a little hard to read. But anyway, so mostly held in stocks. Here's the real interesting stuff, though. This is what we always look at. Here we go. Trading volumes increased a bunch. People were slinging. Check this out. In this quarter, Robinhood users traded 774 million options contracts. Dakota, that's a lot of options. And that is what creates their transaction order flow, which we can see right here. Okay, so how does Robinhood make money? They make money via transaction-based revenues. That's, them getting paid for the order flow. They get paid about 4 times as much for the option order flow, which should tell you something. They also make interest off of, what they're holding. But so in Q2, they made 776 million in transaction-based flows. Here we go. Of that, about half of that was from options. They only made 129 million from equities flow. They made close to 3 times as much in options. And then event contracts is the new one, 156 million. So they're kind of going from, I used to say when I read these that they were just like an options and crypto company because they used to be making a lot in crypto transactions, but now it's options, event contracts, and crypto. The actual equities and everything else account for a very small amount of their transaction-based order flow. Interest up makes sense. The yields are higher. And yeah, that's what I look to there. What I take from this, man, is that be
Prediction
real
markets.
careful if you're trading options. They don't have Citadel's not paying 4 times as much for the options order flow because they're out of the kindness of their heart. So there's your Robinhood earnings.
Appreciate it, Jack. What their prediction markets volume picked up big time, no? Crypto.
Yeah, they come event-based contracts. Yes.
That one, okay.
I
Yeah.
took a long.
Yep.
I took a long from 7,000 for 07.
Nice, Mohammed.
Seeing that support at 7,400 encouraged me actually after seeing this strong green candle.
It held.
Breaking the recent highs. So let's see now, are we going to 7,420?
Where'd you go? Mo, get back here, Mohammed. Mohammed, you get
Or we
back
just
here. Where'd you go?
Uh-oh. He
I'm
said
back.
too much.
There you are. Yes.
moving.
I hear you, Mo. I see you, Mo. All good. We'll get that worked out.
Okay, so long 10, I took 3 as profit. So now I'm 7 long at 7,407. A lot of 7s here. And looking to hit the 50% opening range.
All right. Wow. Nice long, Mo. The 7400s was the line in the sand. Yeah.
You know why I'm long? Because I couldn't take that short.
Yeah.
I'm not taking that short. I'm not taking that short. I believe in that support. Say, I need just something to push me to take a long. And I see this.
Nice trade. 74.15. What a wild fast markets. This session has been wild.
Yeah,
Peaky
it
and
is.
wild.
Just
I
the
don't think I've ever
500 point
seen
rally. 500 point rally on
more
Q.
movement in the individual names. I just can't think of one where you got so many very large companies up, or in only Meta's case, down 10% or more.
Yeah.
Hoop just sent me a
Dakota,
note
what do you-
that
Yes.
off the juice, Citadel buys situational awareness of stock portfolio after big losses in AI. Did this guy really blow out? That's not good.
What's
Well.
situational awareness?
That's Leap. Are you familiar with
Oh,
Leopold?
I know. I didn't
That's
connect the two. Gotcha.
thing.
Oh, pennies on the dollar.
This is strong rejection
Citadel,
that
yeah.
I wasn't expected, to be honest. My stop at 7,405. Only 2 points. Frisk. This is wild.
The whole day, this whole set. Now we're in range. We went from rally to sell off, now to consolidation, range. Call it what you want. 28,000's held in the NQ. We did dip beneath it about 5 points, and then ES 7,400 evens, and they slammed on the brakes. Where'd Dakota go?
Maybe this is what
What are
they
you short or long,
want to
though?
break the 400.
I'm short.
Yeah. In order to break the 400, they needed some fuel. So that was the fuel. Now if they go strong down, breaking 05, I think that fuel is enough to break the 7,400.
Dakota, you thought we were
Why
getting
is
through those
that?
28.
Because they haven't complete the mission to the 50% of the of the opening range. You see this opening range, it got to have the full rotation. They missed the 50%, which means they are weaker than what we expected. So when they come back to the low, it will break to the other 50% in the other side, which is 7,380. Breaking 7,400 will take us to 7,380.
Okay, session lows 73.68. Dakota, you thought we were getting through those 28,000s too, huh?
Yeah, I think I was looking to see if maybe we can go retest those 28,000s.
Yeah,
but we're
me
not.
too. We haven't gotten there
We're
yet.
not right now.
Really use it to go there.
We still might, but
It ain't gonna be a
as of
straight
right
line.
now,
I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it's not going to be a straight line. We're
Not
holding
like those
pretty
first
well.
3 trades. Yeah,
Those first few trades were pretty
I know.
straightforward.
I know
Yeah,
what
I'm
you're
gonna get out.
thinking
I'm
in
gonna
your
get
head.
out.
I know what you're thinking in your head.
I know, Andre.
They got you trade that static combine. You
I still want to be in a short to go test 28,000.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't mind the risk.
You cannot underestimate shorts. You cannot underestimate the bears in the market. I mean, they still in the market.
Power hour you could, Mo. Power hour was just down.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Power Hour was wild.
Yep.
And now we stall. All right, now crude's down ticking. It's kind of like each market kind of just taking the stage and then moved aside for the next market to get going. And you're just looking what is.
Let's see. Buyers still want to try again.
Do they? Okay. Well,
Yeah, oil's selling off.
You have this 5-minute red candle in the ES.
uh-huh.
It's kind of a doji. The body in the middle, long wicks, so it's kind of a doji. So if they break the high of that candle, that means they have eaten the sellers, which will take us to
Lunch.
the 7,420. I'd say easily.
It
Yeah,
is pretty. I think this is the definition of irony: is having a fund called a situational awareness fund that gets force liquidated. It literally like a with the VIX under 20. That's impressive.
Oh, what a time.
Citadel probably
What a
made a bunch of money today.
God.
I heard well-informed rumors back during the financial crisis. Don't ask me how we know that a certain Chicago trading firm might be able to look this up. Purchased Lehman Brothers futures book, like pretty much cite. You had like you put in bids after looking at it very briefly, and they made like $1 billion in a day or something. It's good to be in those. If you can get in there, the ticket price is high, but
Wow.
wild opportunities.
Braden, I see you in the chat. Braden question. Would Hoke say this is price acceptance higher for the day? I assume you're talking about the NQ. I
Okay.
will say no. He would
Sellers
not say
failed.
it just yet. Not yet.
Sellers failed, which means where are their stop? Their stop are above 7,421.
ES
Looking to the
might.
stops at
Braden.
7,421 in ES. I will take
Sellers
profit
failed, Mo.
just-
Yep.
just there. Yeah, they failed twice now. 2, 3 times.
Hoke, if you're in the chat.
Okay.
Love this
Profit
phrase, the
is
Carson
their
Daly
stop.
of Top Step.
I've gotten that before.
That's a compliment.
Is it? TRL?
2020. Yep. I take one.
Yeah,
Give
Mo.
me the stops. The stops is my another target.
YouTube, we are still here, man. As you can see, price is literally done. Much of nothing. Did get down to 73.98. Price starting to pull back. Excuse me, bounce back to the highs as of now. Still was about 18 points away from my entry. I had to go ahead and call it a day here. Get ready for tomorrow. Nice slow day. Everybody digesting the Fed news and the jobless claims and PCE news that came out this morning. So pretty chill day, man. A little tired today too as well, but a busy week. Getting to it, man. But all in all, appreciate you guys tapping in. Like, subscribe, comment, man. Tap in with us in the Discord. We're back tomorrow to end the week strong. I appreciate you guys, man. See y'all tomorrow, same time, same place, man.